I'm going to try something here. Let's see if you can tell what I'm trying to do. That wasn't it. That should have been a hint. All right, it's not going to happen today, but I reckon at some point it might happen. Maybe I've had a little bit too much time off trying the time machines. Or maybe not. I think if I had 36s, I would have bent the wheel then. Last one. I can't believe it. Wow. All right, so the thing that nobody tells you learning the time machine, look at all the YouTube videos you want, nobody tells you when you're up there spinning, they talk about lifting your leg up, lifting your leg forward. I don't agree with that. That'll happen all by itself. You get there, pull your handlebar behind you. So whichever way you're spinning, I'm spinning clockwise, I'm spinning to my right. Pull your handlebar behind you, and you can see already it goes into the spin. Just today when I landed that time machine and sort of landed the one before it, that's what it is. The glide, it's kind of easy. I hope you're already trying it. Just get your bike up there, hold the front peg, hold the handlebar, and glide. And glide. Because that part's not too difficult. From the glide, you're kind of bringing the bike more upright, at the same time getting that handlebar behind you, and that will shift your leg in front of you to keep the balance, and that will keep you going around. Again, in my opinion, but do whatever the hell you want. Do what works for you, because it's freestyle. That's what it is. Gotta say, I love the trick that people do, the hang five, where they come around, spin in a tight circle, spin around and come out again in the hang five with a kick of the front wheel. So slowly starting to work on that. Seems when I'm working on new tricks like that, I just do a few just to start my brain into the processes. Right, it's going to learn a new thing. Try it every so often, and then one day that try will be better by miles, better by a long way than all the other times I've tried, and that's when I give it a real good go. it.